Okay, so it took me about half an hour. Do you want to see the final result? Let's take a peek. Look at that. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Now, I'm going to show you something a little bit different. There's many videos on YouTube on how to do this. Usually, people are using a shop vac to suck out all the sediment down there, but trust me, that is messy, and also it's very difficult because the salt in the bottom, after a few years, it turns into, it goes solid, and you really have to, dig it up and bang it around. And I'm going to tell you how to do this a little bit differently. Less fuss, less mess, and we're going to go from there. So stick around and let's roll. I'll show you how to do her. You will need some sort of a floor scraper or ice scraper. You can see it down there to break up the salt. And you're going to need yourself a little utility pump. I just happen to have this one here. There, you can see it down at the bottom. Suck out all the stuff. And you're going to need a garden hose, and preferably hooked up to some warm water. And about maybe a tablespoon of your favorite laundry detergent. Just going to rinse this stuff out and suck it out of here with the pump. And we're all good. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in just like a teaspoon of like a liquid soap. I know people are going to bash me, someone who does this stuff for a living. They're going to go, oh my gosh, but trust me, I'm going to flush this out really good, so it's not going to matter. This is just going to help break up, any slimy stuff that's in there. Okay, update. Everything's going well, and the salt's really gone down, and so now I just have just stirring it up in the bottom there. Get all this stuff off the bottom. Again, using some warm water, just stirring that all up. And okay, folks, this has been going really, really well. It's almost to the point where, I'm almost finished. And what you want to do, this is the cap for, I don't know, it's a salt level tube. There's a little float in there. But what you want to do is take your hose in the final stages, put it down there and flush out that hose area too inside there. Get all the dirt out of there, any sediment, So we're just going to run that in there. I don't know, I've been going for about 20 minutes maybe at the most here. I think it's almost done. It's looking good, so I'll come back with an update. I had that thing to break up salt. It's just like I used like a little icebreaker. You have to be careful, be gentle. But the salt in the bottom was just like solid, I guess like powdered, a solid mass. So I had to break that up, and once the hot water got on there, it just dissolved it all. Don't forget to put the little cap back on here. And we'll fill it up with some salt. And we're good to go. We're on the home stretch. Get your bag of salt ready and pour that in. Just put one bag in to start, and don't forget to reset your electronic meter if yours has one on the level of salt that you put in. So get that set, and then what you should do is do a regeneration on it and make sure it's all working. That'd be great. And if you're uncertain how to do all that stuff, check the links in the description below. I have a whole bunch of different videos about water softener issues, how to do stuff. Check it out, and all other kinds of videos I have on my site. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. That way, if you make comments, I'll get back to you if you have a comment. So take care, everyone. Have a great day.